So this is lot 525. Close to green space. It will have a view fence. The garage. Cute little porch. This is the Canary. Bedroom 1. Forgive me, that is not a bedroom. That's office den area. Half a bath. The garage. Open concept with kitchen, living, island. Refrigerator. Small walk-in pantry. This is your full bath. It is unique with this being a 2.5 bath. Well, laundry room. So this is bedroom 1. Bedroom 2 shares a wall. And like I said, that front room is a den office flex space. Linen closet, and then this is your master. Master bath, dual sink, step-in shower, big closet in this floor plan. They are only releasing one of the Canaries, and this is the one that they are going to be releasing. Big lot. It is nice having the mountains behind you and knowing that nothing is going to be built behind you as well. But you do have the road. But this is Buckeye. It's not a highly traveled road. And this lot flares out to this side. So it's a good backyard.